This is the knife out of my survival tin. Another line lock knife there. Another Magnum, showed that the other day. This one. Here's a Webley line lock. Webley is quite a famous UK gun maker. CRKT knife. He's quite nice, these are Columbia River ones. Malcolm uses one of these, John D. Rambo, on his videos. A Spanish Andujar lock knife. Good knives these are. It stays really sharp for a long time. Rosewood handle. Another Boca Magnum one. Two cutthroat razors or straight razors. Really old ancient pen knife there. I'd put the wooden scales on it if it didn't have any. Some sort of straight razor type knife, but it's not. Another Magnum, Boca Magnum. Lock knife. Kestrel lock knife, I think it's Kestrel. Another Andujar. Great knives there, I use that one all the time. Another Webley. A Kershaw, it's not Kershaw, it's an imitation Kershaw. I can't remember what they're called now, but they look exactly the same, but this isn't actually Kershaw. Another Andujar one in here. I love these old Spanish knives. Stiletto. Bought this the same time as this one. My butterfly knife got that in. It's the only one I got. An Opinel. One of the big ones. Can't remember what size, I don't know if it says on it. Another lock knife. Some crappy old garden knife. Here's the lock knife out of my gun bag. Some weird knife that I bought. Line locks on that. Camp USA lock knife. And the last one, the scrimshaw knife. Oh, that's not the last one actually. The others, I've got two more, is that stiletto in there, which is an actual flip knife, and this stiletto, which is a fake imitation flip knife. It doesn't actually flick out. Right, I hope you liked it. Sorry I couldn't give you more info on them, but I was just doing it as I went along sort of thing, so hope you liked it. See you later.